12 hooks per pack. Glide smoothly across shower rod. Quickly easily replace liner without removing shower curtain. Kenney's double shower hooks are a smart and easy way to hang your shower curtain and liner. These plastic double hooks allow you to hang your shower curtain and liner separately, making it quick and easy to replace either. The smooth hooks glide easily across your shower rod. 12 hooks are included per pack. Top reviews from the United States. Simplistic, durable, unique design. I really like these shower curtain hooks. My original hooks were metal, and while that is overall a more durable material, I didn't like that eventually they became rusty and they weren't clear. These have a unique design. The hook part is a bit small, so some shower curtains and liners might not fit well. I would say they are a reasonably thick plastic, but I would still be mindful of not pulling, yanking on your shower curtains aggressively. The hooks gets a bit thinner in the middle. I like that they're clear so they don't take away or add to my bathroom decor, and I like the shape. I would recommend these shower curtain hooks.